In this video, we will solve the integral of 1 over x cubed minus 1 dx using Ruffini's rule for factorization, followed by partial fraction decomposition, and then integrate the expression using appropriate substitutions. Let's write down the integral. To tackle this integral, we start using Ruffini's rule to factorize the denominator. Ruffini's rule is a method to divide polynomials by linear divisors. 4x cubed minus 1. Notice x equals 1 is a root. Thus, x minus 1 is a factor. Using Ruffini's rule, we obtain x cubed minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1. Next, we apply partial fraction decomposition. We write 1 over x cubed minus 1 as a sum of fractions, a divided by x minus 1 plus bx plus c divided by x squared plus x plus 1. To determine a, b, and c, we multiply the entire equation by the denominator x cubed minus 1 to clear the fractions. This gives us 1 equals a times x squared plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c times x minus 1. By expanding and equating the coefficients, we solve for a, b, and c. Setting x equal to 1, we solve for a since the second term vanishes. Doing this, a equals 1/3. Next, compare coefficients for x squared, x, and constant terms, and find b equals to minus 1/3 and c equals to 0. We now substitute a, b, and c back into our partial fraction decomposition. We now integrate each term separately. For the first term, we have integral of 1/3 over x minus 1 dx, which gives 1/3 times the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 1. For the second term, instead of directly integrating, perform the substitution u equals x squared plus x plus 1, making the integral much simpler. After substituting, the integral becomes negative 1/3 times the integral of u to the negative 1 due, resulting in negative 1/3 times the natural log of u. Finally, substituting back for u, we obtain the final integrated solution. The integral of 1 over x cubed minus 1 dx equals 1/3 times the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 1, minus 1/3 times the natural log of the absolute value of x squared plus x plus 1, plus the constant of integration c.